With enforcement on the rise, a question frequently asked by water customers is what is backflow and why do I need to install a backflow preventer? Backflow is the reversal of normal water flow caused by a sudden change in water pressure. Backflow can pollute or contaminate the public water supply whenever a cross-connection exists. A cross-connection is a link between the potable water system and a non-potable water system. In this case, we are referring to the connection between the drinking water supplier's water main and the customer's private water plumbing system. There are countless documented examples where contamination or pollution of the drinking water supply through backflow incidents have caused people to become ill, suffer chemical burns, and backflow incidents have even been known to cause death. One simple example of a backflow hazard is a lawn sprinkler system. If a home or business uses pesticides or fertilizers and water puddles around a sprinkler nozzle, a loss in system pressure can cause those pesticides or fertilizers to be sucked down those lines, and when system pressure returns, those contaminants or pollutants can be introduced into the drinking water supply. The installation of a backflow preventer is an important part of stopping an event like this from occurring. This is why your water system typically requires customers with irrigation lines to have a testable backflow prevention valve installed and tested annually. Commercial and industrial facilities whose operations present a risk of endangering the public health due to backflow are typically required to have a testable backflow valve installed on their water service line after the water meter and before any branches in the line. Businesses such as restaurants, car washes, beauty salons, and laundry facilities are all examples of potential backflow threats. There are different types of devices designed for different types of hazards posed to the drinking water supply, and water providers can have differing guidelines. Your water provider's cross-connection control department and local backflow prevention certified specialists work with customers to determine whether a backflow hazard exists, and if so, what type of backflow preventer is required. A certified backflow prevention technician will perform a test on the valve to certify that the valve is functioning properly at the time of the test. The tester will then submit the certified results of his test to your water supplier's cross-connection control department. Most testable backflow prevention valves are required to be tested at least annually, but for more information, check the federal and state guidelines, plus the water system's cross-connection control policy or ordinance to be certain of the rules that cover your water system.